In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur in Davinci Resolve. First, go to the Edit page. You can find this option at the bottom of the interface. The Edit page is where you will do most of your video editing tasks. This is crucial because it provides you with all the tools you need in one area. Once you click on the Edit page, you will notice a timeline appear. This is where your clips will be arranged for editing. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will see your media library on the left, the preview monitor at the top right, and the timeline below. This setup is intuitive and will help you navigate your editing process smoothly. Next, select the clip you want to blur. This can be done by simply clicking on the clip in the timeline. Make sure you have the right clip highlighted. This step is vital because it tells Davinci Resolve which part of your video you want to modify. Once selected, the clip will be highlighted, showing you that it's ready for editing. Pay attention to the clip's settings, as this will ensure you apply the blur effect correctly. Remember, clarity in this selection helps avoid mistakes later on. From there, open the Effects library located at the top left corner of the screen. This library houses all the effects and tools you can apply to your clips. Clicking on this will expand a menu filled with various effects, transitions, and audio tools. The Effects library is essential because it gives you access to a wide range of creative options. Take a moment to explore what's available. You might find other effects you want to use later. Now, go to Toolbox and then select Open FX. This will narrow down your search to the effects you can apply to your clips. Open FX contains all the visual effects, and navigating here is straightforward. You want to focus on this area because it is where the magic happens. Once you click on Open FX, you will see a list of effects appear. This is where you will find the specific effect you need to blur your clip. Next, search for Gaussian Blur in the search bar. Typing this in will filter the effects and help you find it quickly. Gaussian Blur is a popular choice for softening images or creating a dreamy effect. This step is important because using the right type of blur can dramatically change the look and feel of your video. Once you see the Gaussian Blur effect, you will be ready for the next step. After that, drag Gaussian Blur onto your clip in the timeline. This action applies the blur effect directly to the selected clip. You will notice that the clip now has a blur effect applied to it. This confirms that you have successfully added the effect. Don't worry if it looks too strong or too light at first. You will adjust this shortly. Seeing the effect applied is satisfying and shows that you are making progress. At this point, open the inspector. You can find the inspector panel at the top right corner of your screen. This panel allows you to fine-tune the settings of the effect you just added. Opening the inspector is crucial because it gives you control over how the blur will look. If you don't see the inspector, you may need to click on the inspector button to reveal it. This panel will show all the parameters for the Gaussian blur effect. Finally, adjust the blur strength until you get the desired amount of blur. You will see a slider that allows you to increase or decrease the strength of the blur. Dragging the slider to the right will intensify the blur effect, while dragging it to the left will reduce it. This step is vital in achieving the exact look you want. Take your time to adjust it to your liking. Once you are satisfied, you will notice how the blur can enhance your video. With these steps, you have successfully blurred a clip in Davinci Resolve. Enjoy your editing and the creative possibilities this software offers.